Ernie, what do we think?
Look,
Can you say peekaboo?
that bird over there is swimming.
Very nice. That was lovely. All right, this next vocal is one of my all-time favorites of all of the birds in our flock. So Ernie was actually a former pet before he came to live here at Southwick's. And in his former home, he had his own little toy fire truck that his owners gave him, and he would sit on it and ride around the house. And he loved it so much that he learned to mimic the little noise that it used to make. All right, here we go, Ernie. Where's the fire? Oh, I'm so excited. That was fabulous. Great work, Ernie.
3 for 3. Good